Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a sit rep on the current crypto market conditions as Elon Musk's X platform, formerly known as Twitter, has basically obtained payment licenses in several different states. And so this intel is obviously very bullish for the overall crypto market, not to mention just Bitcoin and more possibly Dogecoin. Now, before we get too far into the weeds, let's jump over here to the open options interest strike price for Bitcoin. And what I'm more interested in is this max pain price, which is currently coming in at 27,000 for the strike price for September 1st, which will be tomorrow. And so today, more than likely, you're going to see the bears and the bulls battle it out to try to get this max pain price above, if you're bullish, the 27,000 price level. And if you're bearish, you want the strike price to close below this $27,000 strike price. And in reality, the bears more than likely need the price to close below 25.5 to have any hope of actually locking in profit. And for the bulls, obviously a close above 27,000, they could lock in some profit, but if they can somehow today get the price above 27.5, they would lock in even more profit. And right now, Bitcoin's price is actually kind of battling between 27,000 and that 27.5 level. So obviously some intel you want to keep in the back of your mind if you're actually day trading today. Now, with that all being said, if we jump over here to the Bitcoin weekly chart, we can see Bitcoin is struggling to get back above the EMA ribbon. However, if Bitcoin's price can close above the EMA ribbon at the end of the week, then that would be another bullish signal for Bitcoin. And as you can see in the past, when Bitcoin does get above that EMA ribbon, it does tend to push up to a new higher high. And so if Bitcoin's price can get above the EMA ribbon by the end of this week, we could be in for a newer higher high for Bitcoin's price. However, it could run into some resistance at this orange line, which is your 120-day moving average. And so Bitcoin more than likely would actually run into resistance up here around 32,000, maybe 500. But that would be a higher high. Now, let's jump over to some more recent intel as far as what would be bullish for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and other crypto assets. And the first article we're looking at is Musk's X, obviously formerly known as Twitter, obtains payment licenses in several U.S. states. Now, X, the social media platform owned by Elon Musk, formerly known as Twitter, has obtained payment licenses from several U.S. states in recent months, including a currency transmitter license in Rhode Island earlier this week. Now, Musk has hinted at supporting crypto on the platform, even briefly switching the Twitter bird logo to the Dogecoin dog before its rebranding to X last month. The license allows for broader payment services to be offered. And Musk has said that he plans for X to expand beyond social media posts and to eventually become an everything app. Now, the money transmitter licenses obtained since June from Arizona, Maryland, Georgia, Michigan, Missouri, and New Hampshire indicate the tech billionaire may have plans to support payment processing nationwide, similar to like Venmo or PayPal, which is a company he actually co-founded. And then the Rhode Island license that they obtained this week, while essential for permitting payments, is also a requirement for offering crypto services. Now, with that all being said, it's obvious that Elon Musk is very bullish when it comes to cryptocurrencies. In fact, it appears that Tesla has made changes to their website and in fact may be preparing to accept Bitcoin payments again in the near future. And so with that all in mind, it's really no surprise that Elon Musk's dream is to make Twitter, aka X, into the super global app that can be used for everything, including having a crypto wallet and being able to conduct crypto payments. And by obtaining all these money transmitting licenses, his dream is getting one step closer to becoming true. And with that being said, you know he wants to integrate Doge in some way to the X platform. And if or when that happens, Doge more than likely is going to pump back up towards its all-time highs back here, which would have been around 75 cents. However, looking at the Dogecoin chart, you can see it's pretty much flatlined ever since hitting that all-time high. It sold off and it has been pretty much flatlined down around 6 cents. Now, again, if it can pump back up to its all-time high, it would certainly 10x your investment. Now, this is not investment advice. This video is being provided for informational purposes only. At the end of the day, you need to do your own recon. But before you get too froggy and jump right into Dogecoin, the first level Dogecoin will need to get above if it's really going to take off is going to be probably around the 10 cents or 11 cents level. After that, obviously 15 cents to 20 cents would be a major zone. And then from there, it has pretty much open air to around 35 cents. And then a breach above, say, 35 cents. And then Dogecoin could charge on up to those previous all-time highs. Now, on the flip side, the key level of support is going to come in down here around 5 cents. A breakdown below 5 cents and Dogecoin could be headed back down to probably a penny or less. Now, with that in mind, if September ends up being a bearish month, some may see that as a buy opportunity if Dogecoin does get down below the 5 cent level. Maybe around 3 cents might be a buy level. Obviously, a penny would be an attractive buy level to folks who want to get into Dogecoin. But again, not investment advice, and you will need to do your own recon, and only you are responsible for the investment decisions that you make. So I think that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you like these type of videos, you might want to shoot the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. If you liked this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.